Run up in the crib, he gon' see what this pistol for. FN, kiss him at the door, where the mistletoe. Why he clean up? I just spilled lean on the kitchen floor. Hell nah, you cannot use my lighter, use your kitchen stove. 420, smoke 4 zips, 4 hours, 4:30. I'm ballin', sweating hard like I'm wearing 4 Jones. Tell a bitch you gon' always be honest, and it won't hurt your body. I'm signed, you can talk to my attorney. We got the summer on lock, they tryna break in. Show I'm out of breath, I need a break, I need to take 10. Benny boat, make the way they tryna surf in. Calm at the beach with the heat, he got the suntan. Skin boiling on the shore, cause I can't swim. Took a tab last night, still tripping in the AM. I'll pop the top open like a runch can. I dare hunt, but wanna up the pump, you better duck, man. How you up so deep? He been church and swag off. I see a street beat, bro, almost knock your dread off. You say ice rolling, why the fuck is melting off? Let my name come up before you, like a roll call. Hey, and I got a dub on it. Are you Benny boat? Yeah, I just shrug shoulders. 8x1, see the spaceship, then we take it over. Safer to ride in the boat, think my name Noah.
Telling you know, man, like when the flood, and they got flooded, dang. Beat the chase.
I can sell lows, but I be smoking eye on the dead. Don't have a trap. I'll sell you work if you pay 10 grand, but don't think the whole thing is 280. How the fuck you ballin'? Barely had money for the KD. And if he blitz, a guarantee to get a safety. He got shot, then he shit it, cause these bullets hit like baby. I know the truth behind this rap, fuck trying to go mainstream. I don't take the half a mil, fuck grab the bike with Jay-Z. I feel the ass to kick it in, now I'm tap talking. I don't go out that much, I get the bag. I was being both to 9-5, I was getting it. Showing my parlay, I'm 2 legs away from hitting it. We fuck, it's 3 AM, woke up, we having more sex. Woke up, 11 AM, we sipping Moet. Cook up, I usually do the homage, but it's Friday. I'm full, I be getting to the chicken like some frog leg. I could say damn hard, but y'all said ice punch the boat in like a small glacier. Hit you upside of your head like a fro taper. I'm walking out fresh, looking like a ball player. Pull up and talking no money, I'll see y'all later. I want the Cartier bucks to see y'all. Every Benny boy I did was paid for, I didn't know favors. Got paid, I seen the new J's, I hit them all later. I can sell those, but I be smoking eye on the dead. Know how to trap, I'll sell you work if you pay 10 grand, but don't think the whole thing is 280. How the fuck you ballin'? Barely had money for the KD. And if he blitz, a guarantee to get a safety. He got shot, then he shit it, cause these bullets hit like baby. I know the truth behind this